People ask me all the time, should I spend the money for a maintenance or service contract? I always answer that question with a question of my own. Let's say you're walking by your furnace or air conditioning system. As you pass by, you notice a strange noise. Do you say to yourself, that's a strange noise, and keep walking? Or do you actually stop and check out the noise? This is an important question. If you're the type of person that barely notices the noise and keeps walking, then you are a definite candidate for paying a company to professionally maintain your system. If you're the person that stops and takes the time to check out the situation, then we need to ask a few more questions, like, why do you need to consider maintaining the system at all? If you have a heating and air conditioning system that's in good working order, hopefully it's running in a way that provides consistent comfort that keeps you cool in the summer and warm in the winter, economical operation that saves you money all year long, and peace of mind that the system is running safe and isn't going to break down on a day you really need it. These qualities are assumed when your equipment is brand new, but as time goes by, you start to lose these traits. Dust and dirt are all around us to some degree. As your unit runs, dirt accumulates on coil surfaces, motors, electrical components, everywhere. Dirt and dust creates a coating that causes friction between moving parts and a film on surfaces that are designed to be clean. All this adds up to a system that will have excessive wear, which means that it won't last its full life, and you'll have costly and inconvenient breakdowns. It may run inefficiently, costing you more than necessary to keep you and your family comfortable. And the most important factor, there are safety switches and components that need to be checked for proper operation. If one of these are not operating properly, it could cause an unsafe condition or even carbon monoxide poisoning in the case of a fossil fuel system. The best way to avoid all these problems is to make sure your system is kept clean and maintained on a regular basis. Can you do it yourself? Well, I must say that it would be difficult for the average person to have the discipline to keep up on the latest technology, maintain the proper tools, and keep a regular schedule that's required to keep your system safe, efficient, and running trouble-free. Now, I'm not going to say that if you have your system professionally maintained that you'll never have an unexpected breakdown or an efficiency problem. That's why we call it preventive maintenance. The goal is to monitor your system and keep it as clean as possible, to have it running as problem-free and efficient as we can. I'm sure you'd never consider running your car into the ground by not changing the oil. My recommendation is that you do your heating and air conditioning system and your family the same favor.